What's up guys, Cherokee Ronnie back at you with another video, and today we're going to do another sit down video. We're going to be talking about the truth about Zone Off-Road. I want to explain to you why I like Zone, so just stick around. We're going to get right into the video. The reason why I like Zone Off-Road so much is because it's made in the US. There's tons of kits out there that say they're made in the US or designed in the US or put together in the US, but a lot of times they are built overseas and shipped over here and put together, assembled in the US. So it's not really in the US. They ship it over, they have it built and shipped back. Well, this is not the case with Zone. Every part that's on your vehicle, the knuckles, I mean the whole lift kit is made in Coldwater, Michigan. They have staff there. They have, clear down to the welds. It's all here in America. They don't ship it over, have stuff welded. Everything is done right here in America, so that's why I love it so much. So when you get this kit, you're not going to get a jarry ride, you're not going to get a stiff ride or a marshmallow ride. You're actually going to get a quality lift kit. Another thing Zone has is an awesome warranty. If your parts break because it was a defect in the part or there was something wrong with it, they will give you a part free of charge. They stand behind their warranty. Just trust me when I tell you, they have a great warranty. The customer service is great. They're not hard to deal with, and it's very rare that they won't give you a part. So if you meet these guys like at shows and stuff, they are off-road guys just like you are, and they want these kits to last. So that's why they're built over here in America. They're going to last off-road because that's what they're built for. It's not just some cheap thing that you can buy. It's just for looks. I know some people complain about Zone being like $100 or $200 more than Rough Country. Well, here's my recommendation to you. Pay the extra $200 or $300, and I promise you'll be able to sleep at night knowing that your kit was built in America and knowing it's going to last. I mean, you can't beat the quality that you get for the price. I mean, these things are machined here in America. Their skid plates are cut out here in America. I mean, it's just quality stuff. So if people ask me, should I buy a Zone kit? Totally. I can go out and work on vehicles all day. I can show you off-roading videos, but there's a time where we need to talk about lift parts, lift kits, and different things, so I can help you guys have confidence when you're buying something, because I've already been through a lot of this stuff, and you're doing research online and you're just wanting confidence when you buy something. Now, keep in mind, everybody has their own opinion about everything, and at the end of the day, it's up to you what you really want to buy. But I'm here to lift up Zone Off-Road because they are a good lift kit company, and it's hard to please me. It really is. So make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that little bell so you know every time I upload a video. Check me out on Instagram at Cherokee Ronnie, and check me out on Facebook. I have a personal page and a public page, so you can follow me on both of those at Cherokee Ronnie, and I'll see you guys next time.